So we're going to use the bow drill, which is a good starting point. The hand drill is a lot more advanced than some of the others, need a lot more construction. The materials we have makes the bow drill a really good method to be using in British woodland. You'd put your tinder pan down first. On top of that, you go your baseboard. It's a good idea to have your tinder ready to blow into flame as well, because if you finish that, you don't want to rush it and go straight from that into flame. Likewise, you don't want to be walking off for 5 minutes to go and collect all your tinder and stuff like that, so try and have that collected to hand behind you. Then want to clamp the board in with your foot. You want to be a couple of inches away from the hole. If you're too close, the moisture from your shoe might trickle in there and stuff like that. Any dirt that's on your shoe could fall in there. So you want to be a little bit away from there and sort of clamp that down so that when you're bowing it doesn't spin out the way. It goes in. Once you've got just the way that the string's mounted, once you've put your spindle in there, you can actually let go of your bow. You don't have to try and hold that all the time. If you let go, it will just naturally fall there and sit there quite nicely waiting for you. Put your bearing block on top and lock that in place. Now at this point it's quite important that the spindle's not going to be able to wiggle all over the place. So lock your wrist in against your shin, so it's got something nice and sturdy to lock up against, and that will help hold that spindle in place. You're then going to want to start moving this bow back and forth. You want to try and keep the bow parallel to the floor as possible. If you're at an angle, chances are you're going to end up scuffing into the floor one way or another. So the best way is to try and keep that arm nice and straight. And then it's a simple case, starting to bow back and forth. Remembering to breathe, a lot of people hold their breath. You need that oxygen in your lungs because you're going to be working hard. And that will then be ready for your twigs to be put onto your fireboards like you had before with your platform, twigs on top ready to go from there.